Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the battle.net error. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to restart battle.net. So for that you need to enter into your task manager and please force stop the battle.net. It's running in the background. Yeah. So once it's done, please close it, and our second step is to flush DNS and reset network. So for that you need to enter into command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. Yeah, please copy the prompt one by one on the description and paste it and then hit enter. So once it's done, please close it. So our third step is to delete battle.net cache. For that, please press Windows R and then type percentage program data percentage and then hit OK. So over there you need to enter into the wizard and delete it. Delete the entire folder. So fourth step is to allow battle.net through firewall. So for that you need to enter into the Windows security. Over there please pick firewall and network protection and enter into allow an app through firewall, and please check whether the app is got enabled by private and public. Yeah, if it's not, please enable it and then hit OK. So fifth step is to change DNS server. So for that you need to enter into the control panel. Over there network and internet and network and sharing center, and please click your network, then enter into the properties. Over there please click internet protocol and use the following DNS server 8888 and 8844 and then hit OK and then close it. So our sixth step is to update network driver. For that you need to enter into the device manager and then click network adapter MediaTek and then right click and update the driver. Most of the times it will be in up to date in condition. So yeah. So our last step, seventh step, is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video, and once you restarted your PC, your problem will be solved. So thank you guys, bye bye.